Good day, students. Today, first of all, we have learned about compound nouns. So, compound nouns are the nouns which are made up of more than one word. These can be as one word, as separate words, and with a hyphen. So, the compound nouns with one word are postman, cornflakes, and indoors. As we know, post and man, they have two different meanings, but if we join them, they also make another word. As separate words, we have washing machine, ceiling fan. Washing and machine both have different meanings, but when we join them, it also means something. With the hyphen, we have sister-in-law, mother-in-law. So these are the compound nouns with hyphen. In first activity, we have joined the words in column A with the words of column B and made some compound names. So geometry, box. Sleeping, bag. Washing, powder. Sea, side. Swimming, pool. Tooth, paste. Mobile phone, study, room. So these are the various compound names which are formed using these words after joining these words. Now next is collective noun. Collective noun refers to a collection of groups of persons, places, animals, things, etc. For example, a bunch of grapes, a litter of puppies, a herd of cattle, a bouquet of flowers, a pack of wolves, a swarm of bees. So, it is the collection of groups of person, places, animals, or things. In this activity, we have to write collective noun for following sentences. A gaggle of geese, because the collection of geese is gaggle. A regiment of soldiers, a shoal of fish, a crew of sailors, a choir of singers, a swarm of bees, a gang of robbers, a bunch of keys. Next is, these are all the collective nouns for following words. Next is abstract noun. Abstract noun refer qualities, action, state, etc. They can be seen or touched but can be experienced or felt. We can't see or touch them. For example, honesty, kindness, death, youth, laughter, etc. Beautiful has beauty as its abstract noun. Kind, kindness, laugh, laughter, die, death, king, kingship or kingdom, child, childhood. In this activity, we have to write the abstract noun for following words. Grow, growth, thief, theft. The state of growing is growth. Thief, the state of something thieves do is theft. Brave, bravery. Do, deed. Wise, wisdom. Hate, hatred. Next is, from the given sentences, we have to write the common and proper nouns. Ramit and Namit are good boys. So here boys is the common noun and Ramit and Namit are the proper nouns, because in this the names are mentioned. The woman in black dress is Sheila. Woman and dress is a common noun because here the name is not mentioned, and the proper noun here is Sheila because the name is given in it. Tools are used by workers. So tools and workers both are common nouns because the names are not mentioned that what kind of tools or what kind of workers. The ship INS Virat is sailing in the Arabian Sea. So here ship is common noun and INS Virat and Arabian Sea are proper nouns because the names have been mentioned in these. The name of the sea and name of the ship. In this activity, you have to write the brand names of given products. Like Taj Mahal and Lipton are the brands of tea. Gucci is the brand of t-shirt. You have to write brand name of your choice. Chocolate brand, Dairy Milk. West, Lux Cozy, Red Hill, Cookies, Good Day. So these are the brand names. You will written one brand name of your choice. So thank you, students.